Should I put my house or bank accounts in my kids' names?
The only time I like you to put your house or any asset into the kids' names, if you truly don't want it and you want it to belong to the children. If you don't ever need it back and you just want them to own it, then maybe it's okay to put it in the kids' names. But then the second part of that is, since Medicaid has a 5-year look back, if you don't have enough assets to make other assets to make it through that 5 years, you're going to have a huge penalty and a huge problem because you've given assets away. And Medicaid's going to impose this big penalty because of how much you've given away. So if you want to protect assets by getting assets out of your name, then I'd rather use an asset protection trust. So that's a special kind of irrevocable trust where we stick the assets in, and then if we make it through 5 years, the assets are protected. The other problem too with putting assets in children's names is what happens if that child gets, let's say you put your home in the kids' names, and that child gets divorced. Now your house is tangled up in their divorce case because it's not legally your house anymore, it's the child's house. What happens if that child passes away before you? Now the house goes to the in-law. Hope you and that in-law get along. What if the child gets sued, gets in a car wreck, hurts somebody, kills somebody? Now your house is fair game for them to come after. And something else I don't want to get into too much because it's tax stuff. It's not real exciting to talk about. But if you take an asset that is appreciated over time since you've owned it and you give it to a child, when that child turns around and sells it, there's going to be a big capital gains tax owed. Versus if we put it into something like an irrevocable trust and the child inherits it, we get a stepped up tax basis. And so when they sell it, there's less taxes owed.